Hey everybody, welcome back to RC with Adam. My name is Adam, and yes, it's time to announce the winner for the SIYI FT24 transmitter that I'm giving away to one of you lucky people. Well, what we do is I throw all the comments from the previous video of the giveaway video into a random comment picker that is online, and the first one that was selected went to Kamir Gambo Alwali, I believe is how you pronounce that. This person says, cool, good transmitter. So, cool. Well, congratulations, you have won. So you need to contact me within 1 week. Otherwise, the prize is going to go to the runner-up, and the runner-up is Sanusi Abdulaziz. And congratulations. This person says, all your new videos always educate me about the hobby, even though I don't have a transmitter. Thanks. Well, Sanusi, you might have a transmitter if Kamir does not email me within 1 week of posting this video. Send me an email. My email address is adam@rcwithadam.com and say, hey, it's me, Kamir, from the giveaway. And look, don't just anybody send that, because we're going to go through a verification process to make sure that the person sending the email is actually the person who left the comment. So if you want to try and scam me, don't even try me, okay? And Sanusi, if you'd like, you can email me as well, just preemptively in the event that the first winner does not contact me. And like I mentioned in the giveaway video, if you are within the continental United States, I will pay for the shipping. If you are outside of the continental United States, I will pay for half of the shipping, because it's probably going to be pretty expensive. I'm not sure how much, but we're going to find that out, and I will talk to you through email, and we will discuss that. Let me look up right now how much it would actually cost to ship this. Hey, best way, cheapest way, best method to ship packages to other countries. Let's see, what do we see here? Shipping rates. Isn't there like a website where that'll like give me all of the different shipping from US address, delivering to I don't know, Australia. Let's say Australia. They're really far away, right? They're like super far away. Okay, I just weighed the package. It weighs 2 pounds, 12 ounces. According to this website here, it looks like it's going to be about $44 for DHL, $53 for UPS expedited, $57 or $58 for UPS worldwide saver, which saver is more expensive. I don't know how that works. $66 for FedEx economy, $75 for FedEx priority. So that's what we're looking at roughly. So so if you're okay with paying half of that shipping cost, then we can ship it right out to you. Otherwise, we'll pick another winner. Okay, all right, folks. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you again very soon. But in the meantime, get out there and fly something.
We get bars, we get our goggles that show.
Send me an email. Dang it, what am I saying here? All right, well, this is a good practice, though. It's great practice. I need more of this is what I need. I know it's terrible. Feel for my soul. Okay, see ya.